Hello and welcome to the video. Within this video we'll be looking at a multiple use CIP product recently released by Kegland that is suitable for cleaning a large amount of different equipment from various brands, not just from Kegland. I will be running through what is included and how to use it with a focus on just what you need to know to respect your time and also mine. So let's get started. Here is how the standard package is supplied directly from the manufacturer, Kegland. Inside you can see that there is the spray rotor itself as well as a 300mm long silicone hose should you need it, and also some fittings that can connect the rotor to silicone hosing via a barb. And here it is with all the parts assembled. Let's take a closer look. At the heart of this is the CIP spinning rotor itself. As you can see, the bottom piece is based on a pivot, so that as this spins it changes the direction of liquid flow, providing a series of multi-directional jets to provide full cleaning coverage. There are two important factors here to note around this product. Firstly, that the engineering plastic used is highly chemically resistant and as such is suitable for all chemicals homebrewers use for cleaning and sanitation. Also that this CIP, unlike many, has been designed from the bottom up to work with low powered pumps that are found on many types of all-in-one brewing systems, for example. The easy and obvious way to use this is to attach it to your brewing system's recirculation arm as shown here. As you can clearly see, the end result of doing this with a pump in action is quite simply a very busy CIP that is spreading in all directions. When using this CIP to clean the brewing system itself, Kegland recommend that you have it situated a short distance under the lid, and this way you will ensure full coverage of the entire inside walls of the brewing system. To do this effectively, you will probably need to cut down the silicone supplied if you intend to use it, or perhaps you already have something suitable already. For this example, I have not cut the silicone down to illustrate this and wish to underline that this should be higher up for the best results, but I'll also add that it seemed to be doing a rather nice job with this positioning anyway. If you intend to clean, for example, a fermenter or a keg, this is performed by simply turning around the recirculation arm of your brewing system and by positioning the CIP fairly close to the top of the intended vessel. Once again, the hosing should be positioned close to the top, and once again in this case where I'm showing the CIP in use with a Foamzilla, the positioning should be higher up. When cleaning something external, there are various ways to go. Firstly, you can simply transfer from the brewing system into the item and keep an eye on the volume of what is left in your brewing system. Alternatively, you could use gravity or a pump to recycle this back into your brewing system. However, it has to be said that cleaning using this CIP will be a very fast process, so this may not be so needed. One other Kegland product that is extremely useful that can be used in combination with the CIP is this stainless steel flexi arm. These have a 1/2 inch hex nut at each end and the CIP simply screws right into this, as you can see here. If you are using a brewing system that has a camlock fitting, like Brewzilla for example, but there are simply many others, then you can simply add this Type F camlock fitting on the other end of your flexi arm and it will look something like this and is ready for use. The advantage here is very large because you can now shape the flexi arm very precisely to more easily clean a variety of different items. When you have items that are heavily soiled, you can then move the CIP very close to the areas needed to get them clean even faster than you ever could with a more fixed CIP arrangement. I would not say that the flexi arm is essential, but frankly they are sold at a very cost-friendly price and offer a very good quality of life advantage to this CIP. Also, quite obviously, because you can adjust the height very quickly and easily, this is a far better solution compared to silicone hosing that would need to be cut to different lengths to serve multiple types of items. In conclusion, it is great to see that once again Kegland have provided yet another very cost-effective multi-purpose solution for homebrewers. I am very sure if you were to ask a room full of homebrewers what part of the brewing process they hate the most, then the cleaning would be the clear winner. This impressive CIP offers an effective fast track to the cleaning of brewing systems, fermenters, kegs and probably more that is actually suited to the equipment we use. This product along with the flexi arm will certainly be at the heart of my cleaning from now on into the future. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!